Hello, my beautiful train wrecks. This is Jill with Time of Hitting with the Ogre's family. Yay. And I am kitting down. I've been kitting down for 2 days. I still have stuff to kit down. We're looking at least 3 more plus this one. So, okay. This one is one that I seen it, liked it, so I got it. This one is a Native American with a dream catcher and an eagle and a wolf. Yes, there's in a tree. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on in this one. And I thought this one was really pretty, so I got it. So we can put that to the side. We can get started. It does come with a toolkit, a tray, pen, wax, all that fun stuff. And yeah, I can put this with all the others because I'm getting a stack of things to use. So yes, we're gonna get started. I just have it as in a girl because it would be too long. So let's get started. Let's open these up. I will put all the information and everything on the logbook. I will probably end up putting 11.1 on everything because I can. One day is not going to matter that much. So it looks like we've got a good amount of colors. So let me just put that over there. Let me open up Beatrice Honeycut Honey Bum. And let me get started. I've got plenty of extra pots that can be used. And boy, oh boy, things have been happening today. Very exciting. Our kitchen is coming together very nicely. Tom and Zach. Zach has done so much. That's Tom's son, Zach. And then Philip helped a little, but he had to go on a mission. He had to go to Wyatt's house. His editor had a passport he needed for some things that Philip was working on a computer. So yes, Philip is doing runs, doing errands, going to the drugstore, going to Wyatt's house, just running some errands for us. Because I still am on the I really don't want to go out unless I have to, because I do not want to take a chance and get sick. You know, cold and flu season is upon us here in Indiana. And so, yeah, I do not want to get sick. Normally I wouldn't care very much, but I want this surgery. So, yes. But it sounds like Ma is over here right now looking at the kitchen. So yeah, hello Maxwell. Hello Bubby. What you doing, bud? So, sounds like there's a kitty in the pie. It is. It's JJ. He is taking his afternoon potty break. going through all these and getting them up, it's like, ooh, I want to do that one next. Oh, I want to do that one next. Oh, that one is cool. So luckily I have it all on a spinner, and the spinner will tell me what to do. I do have Christmas still that I need to work on, but I have some more that I can work on that are Christmas. So I may take a little bit of a break from deer, because that deer is getting tedious with all the natural color, and it's like, and I usually, this month, I've usually had one that just needed a square and one that was working on behind the scenes. So, yeah, so I'm used to having two different kind of flavors to work with, so I'm going to have to probably do another one, because I think the deer only has like 7 blocks, so I have more than enough time to get that done. So yeah. So there's that. Really, the only thing we don't have up now in the kitchen is the microwave, because we need to see about the ventilation. We only had to cut 2 things. There was only 2 things that was a different size on the countertop. We had to cut the countertop and cut 3 inches off of one side. And then underneath the cabinet of the washer, or the sink, it needed to be trimmed a little, because it was a little sticking out a little too long. So yeah, but we got the counter down. I'm happy. Now I have space. I can finally cook again, and it won't hurt my back. I can actually fight them to who's going to cook dinner. So, yeah. So now it's just little stuff. We need to eventually do the flooring, and just do like trim work and stuff. The drywall is pretty much done. It just needs another good sand, I think. And then we can paint it. And we have a lot of gray. Our kitchen is going to be predominantly gray. Gray floor, gray counters, gray everything. Gray cabinets, everything is gray. So, we kind of like the idea of one room in the house, like football and stuff. We both like the Bengals. So, and I did a diamond painting of the Bengals. So I'm kind of like, ooh, we already have like gray. It wouldn't like an orange be cool with all that gray, because there's not much that needs to be painted. It's like we can give it a bright color to counteract all the gray. The bathroom is going to be fire engine red, because we both come from families that were firemen. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And then I kind of like yellow for a utility room, laundry room. I just like yellow. A bright, sunshiny yellow. I like that. Not as bright as her. A little less bright as her, but I think that looks really sunny and nice. And the next room from the bathroom, you have to go into the laundry room to get to the bathroom, so it would be like yellow and red. Uh-oh, I didn't put the funnel in. I didn't put the funnel in. That was my bad. So, getting closer to the time. And then I think this is all for this one. I think we only have one more. I think we only have one more. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 more. But this is the only one left in this. We have 1 on the top over there, and then 2 on the one of the other trays, and then the bottom trays are all full. Oh yeah. We have been busy bees. Busy little engineers. Choo choo. We've been busy. And this one is like getting up very quickly too. When there's no static and everything goes good, these are like really quick kit-ups. But if you get static, it drives me crazy. I got 1 more bag. Oh, yeah, I will be done in like 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. So yeah, Ma is visiting us, looking at the kitchen. So once it's not outrageously messy, because we've just got stuff thrown everywhere, I'm gonna let him set it up the way he likes, because they cook more than I do. And then if I don't like it, I'll move it. So with that is the Native American dream catcher with an eagle, and I believe that's a raven and a wolf. So that's what I just kitted up. With that, this, I believe, just double check. Titanic done. Yes, it is. Okay. This one is ready to go. All he has to do is kit down 1. That is ready to go. So with that, since Mom's here, I'm going to end this right now at 13.5 minutes. So, hugs and kisses. Love you guys. Love my beautiful train wrecks. Bye.